Hello, hello everyone, and welcome to another day of the Africa versus Virus Hackathon. Um, so today we'll be focused on developing the solutions. A lot of you must have been in your teams, and you have started talking about the solutions that you want to put out as a project, and you have also been over that discussion throughout most of yesterday. So today we'll share a possible format for you to use, something like a guide, so that you make sure you answer all those questions while you are trying to develop that solution. So I will share my screen now. Okay, so we need you while you're having these conversations and for you to get a fully developed solution, that you should answer the following questions. So we're looking at the solution you're bringing. What are the key activities that you have to do to bring that solution to life? And because we're looking at implementable solutions, we're going to be looking at who your clients are. How do you want to distribute the solution? How is your customer, or what relationship are you going to have with the customer? How do you finance your solution? And also who your potential partners are, how you're going to get your costs, how you're going to make your money. You're going to actually talk about the business model for that, and also what is control. This is an example of a canvas and what it should look like. So this it's like it's supposed to give you, and you go ahead to pitch. The pitch video and what your pitches should look like will be sent later on, but today we'll focus on having all the solution today. So this is example, and this is another one. Be sure to talk about your competition. What's the difference between yours and what your competition has? The key resources you need, the kind of people you need, the kind of team you have to form, what your cost structure would be like, what your customer segmentation is like. So these questions need to be answered for you to get to the pitch video. So for today, please focus on this and try to get as much answers as you can. Thanks, guys. Fanny.
Bonjour à tous, bienvenue. Juste un mot pour dire aux participants en français qu'on va faire une vidéo juste après qui résumera les grandes lignes de cet appel en français.
Yeah. Oh, that's it already. Okay. Yeah. Hi everybody. Welcome to the update call. We are so happy and to welcome you all. And I must say, you can be very proud of you because you made history. It's officially the biggest cooperation between initiatives across your continent. Yeah. And alone, the fact that we made 25,000 people come together to fight the common cause, to find the best solution for the COVID-19 pandemic, this fact alone is already an achievement itself. And so you can be very, very proud of each other. And what I want to address, so thanks for the update for the Lean Canvas methodology. We are not only focusing on businesses today. This is a solution for civic society, so you're welcome to use also an impact canvas if you build solution for your community, for your local community. You can create sustainability canvases if you come up with a sustainable solution. You can combine those. So please join this co-creation process and come up with solutions which go behind simple existing models, but please take this co-creation process take the chance of this co-creation process and join different teams and come up with different solutions. So in order to show you how it works, we prepared an overview for you of what you actually need to do and how to get started for those who's still searching for teams or for solutions. So before I start with that, it's very, very important for me to emphasize that we didn't reject any idea or any solutions. Everything has been accepted. So what you need to do is you need to go to your channel, as a CEO, present your idea, find moderators, find a team, and build that, and prototype this idea. So, and how this process works, we will briefly show you, and we will also show you what you need to do in each process. Can you just give me a sum up if you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes, we have it.
Okay, perfect. So it's all you need to do is a 5-step process. The first step is you need to find your channel. And when you go to your channel, you can either look for a solution which is already exist and join this, or you can create your own team, or connecting to mentors, connecting to moderators, connecting to other global citizens, to participants, and join your own idea. We got informations that only one sub-channel is working on one idea. This is not the idea. That's not the sense of it, because it's very hard to work with over 100 people on just one solution. So split up in small groups, develop your own idea, and come up with different solutions. That's the first step you need to do. We have the second step you need to do, is form a team, brainstorm a solution. When you have got your solution, you go to the third step. You go and register this solution on Goanna. Once you registered your solution with your team and the map on Goanna, you start building a prototype and evaluate this. And this is what we do today. So it's really important to focus on what Ada just said. Do your prototype development, start this ideation process. We will create extra channels for you. For tech solutions, we will create extra channels for you for how to prototype videos and how to do this. So now it's a shout out for all the mentors with a tech background or from companies who offer tech solutions. Please join the tech channels, and all the video designers or graphic designers, or everybody who is keen in how to build a good pitch video. Please join the presentation and video channel. Offer your help, offer your solution, answer people's questions, so that the fifth step, which you're most likely going to do tomorrow, because today we want you to focus on the prototype. Create a small video if possible. We prefer it, but we are inclusive. So for those who cannot do it, we are fine with the pitch deck, which guides through the process. And now I want to come back to to the first step, because it's all the Slack channel. Yeah, it's a very, very massive ecosystem, but you have to think about it like a city. Yeah, and in a city there are a lot of streets, and all we want you to do is to find your street. Yeah, and your street is your channel. And there are really a lot of ways how to now. So when you find your channel, and once you're on this channel, you can start team building. Yeah, and pitch your solutions. And there are 1,000 ways to do it. You can pitch your idea and build a team around it. You can join an existing idea and build a team around it. And you can find many, many different ways. So we just offer you the platform, and you need to connect with people, you need to connect with mentors, and you need to connect with moderators in their field of expertise to do it. So another thing I want to emphasize, we received a lot of very good examples of how to present your profile. Yeah, if you write in your profile that you're a 3D expert, or yet that you're a solution architect from a different company, or please do so. This is not a code of conduct violation if you put your company and your profile, but work for a solution in the hackathon. Yeah, we encourage you to do it so other people can find you. Please do so. Another great option is this amazing website Chris and his Watt team put together, which can be seen kind of the phone book of your city. So whenever you look for like the Yellow Pages, I don't know if you know what it is. It's like, or the Google search, yeah, for your city. You can find there everything. You can find there every moderator, you can find there every channel you're looking for, and you can find there all mentors. And how the process works, and what else you can do, because they added they were working all night adding really cool features for you. This will Chris explain you now.
Yes, thank you, Daniel. So let me quickly share my screen this time, and I will show you all how to use, this is not this one, this is this one, how to use basically the website. So what we've prepared for you is an easy way to actually find the challenges that are currently active. So you have actually access to a list of challenges by just clicking this link, and this will lead you to immediately the challenges and the Slack channels that are related to it, right? So those are the official challenges that we have prepared, and this is the list that you can find right here. So once you know about the challenge that you're working on, or you already maybe joined that challenge on Slack, you can actually find the mentors and moderators related to that challenge directly on the website. So if you go, for example, here, and we say about, let's say, there was one about crisis management. Let's say here, right? We have crisis management. You can find this particular channel. You can see there are 4 mentors that are part of this channel. This channel and challenge actually. So you can, let's say, if we go to this person, we can go in here, and you can see, okay, there is the short information about that person, and then we've added also a short information how to find that person on Slack. So you do it by actually just going into the Slack workspace, and there is the people section, and you can just type in exactly the name of the person. Sometimes keep in mind that the mentors or the moderators, they've changed their names slightly on Slack, so you might need to search for just the first name or just for a last name. And this is maybe also something that that we would also suggest for the mentors and moderators. If you can please add the name of the on your Slack the same as you have during the registration, because this will help us a lot to make it easier for the participants, for the other participants to to find you. So please get back to me, Chris, on Slack. And let me actually find out. This is basically me. This is how you can find me. If you have any problems with the website or any ideas also how this could be maybe improved, please let us know, and we will be working with our team on the website. Yeah, so I think that's all. I guess the next is Florencia or Daniel.
Yeah, so no, Florencia can go into the Florencia.
Yeah, perfect. So hello everyone. It's nice to talk to you again. Yeah, well, we've been reading your idea submissions already, checking out the different conversations in the channels, and it is really inspiring. You guys are all doing an amazing work, so keep it up. And for all of those who haven't found a team yet, do not worry, there's still time. Getting used to Slack and how the idea works took a while. You can imagine with 25,000 participants, it was tricky for everyone. So the team building process took a bit longer, and that's totally fine. We're all in this together. We're all trying to make it better. We're all trying to understand and to help you better. So it's okay if you haven't found your team yet. Don't be discouraged. If you're a global citizen, still join the channels of your choice. Join the discussion. Get in touch with participants. See what they think. What could be done. Offer your ideas. If you're a challenge owner and you feel discouraged because you did not see your challenge listed, Daniel said, you have not been rejected. Ideas have not been rejected at all. You're all invited to discuss them and propose them. So if you haven't done it yet, you can still go to the channel category of your choice. You can find the one that you like. You can join it. You can propose your ideas, talk to new participants. Many of you have found your teams already, but there's still a lot who haven't. And there's still a lot of new people who have joined Slack yesterday. All of those people are still looking for a team and still want to pitch their solutions and their ideas. So there is still time to find each other. So make sure you go to the right channel and join the discussion, ask what participants think, propose your ideas, and brainstorm together. Mentors and moderators. Well, moderators, you have done an amazing job yesterday coordinating all of those people. We certainly couldn't have done it without you. So thank you very much for your support. Many of you have jumped from channel to channel to offer support and make sure participants were understanding each other. We saw that all of you were replying to questions and doubts, and you basically help us enlarge our organization team. So that was really great, and we're very grateful. But there's still more work to do. So there's still more people that need to find their teams. A lot of people that have yet to propose their solutions and ideas. So please still monitor the channels that you are assigned to, or the channels that you found and that you have been providing advice to, and try to help participants as much as you can. All of you have your idea stores. We have shared them via email, and we will be sharing them now again. So please use them to write down the ideas that are proposed by team members or participants in the channel. And once participants form their teams, what you have to do is encourage them to register their teams on Guana. As Daniel said, we'll now share the link, which is www.guana.com/org/Africa versus virus. You can see it here. We share it all over Slack yesterday, and we will do it today. So please register your teams there. Bear in mind that your submissions now will not be evaluated. It is merely to make teams official, and so that we have an overview of what is happening and we can connect teams with mentors more easily. And mentors with Sunday, tomorrow by 6 p.m., 6:30 GMT +1, to submit your developed solution. Ada has already given you some explanations on this, and so has Daniel. But just bear in mind that tomorrow you will be asked to resubmit an updated idea with your team on Guana as well. We will provide you further guidance. Just bear in mind that it will happen. and you will also be requested to make a 1 or 2 minute, 2 minute max. We will not be able to review longer videos in 2 minutes, but you will be asked to make a video pitch of your project. And we will also share guidelines on how to do it and inspirational videos so that you get ideas. Mentors, go to the to the selected channels, offer your help. Participants, check out the website that Chris and his team prepared. It's amazing, it's super user-friendly. You will find mentors there. Contact them on Slack and make sure that you all work together and you collaborate. I think that's all from my side. Maybe we can go to questions now.
I'm not sure if it works, but
yeah, it did. I'm actually seeing quite
okay.
questions. Moderators had filled in their Excel sheets yesterday. Do we submit them and where? Yes. Please go to the moderator channel. It's 0-moderator, making sure that moderators' doubts are discussed and that we help you in any way that you can. But also, please use that channel to share with us the idea stores that you prepared yesterday. That is really important. So please do that. Then another participant says that he's saying, I have for my team group submitted the idea on Guana. What's the next step? Daniel, do you want to take care of this one?
Could you repeat the question, because I was just reading?
I have for my team group submitted the idea on Guana. What's the next step?
The next step is that you ideate on your idea. So go back to the process, develop your idea, and start prototyping. Yeah, if you've done that already, then please test your prototype and get more data for us or for yourself in order to be able to develop it further. Once you have done this, the next and final step is, as Florencia just mentioned, to create either a video, which we would prefer, but a Slack deck or a pitch deck is also fine, where you guide us through the process. We will provide you with software tools and also with explanation videos of how to prepare videos. But again, please, everybody of an expert, every mentor with a field of expertise, join this presentation and video channel and support other teams to make great videos, because there are many options. So there's not a common way. You can scribble, you can guide through the process, you can act, you can be as creative as you want, as long as you present your idea and your solution. Yeah. Another question? You're muted, Florencia.
Oh, sorry. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Someone was asking if we're going to finance ideas. So yes, the best solutions will be fully implemented by Africa versus Virus. So we have a big network of partners, which is increasing every day, that come to us, wanted to make sure that the ideas that are devised during this weekend are brought to life after the Ideathon. So we have different prices. We have technical support programs, we have in-kind contributions, we have funds to implement the project. So it would all depend on the type of projects that you guys are developing, but please rest assured that we have managed to secure a pretty strong architecture to ensure that the ideas are implementing after the Ideathon. And we're very happy to say this, because this is one of the main problems that many of these massive virtual events have been having recently. In some cases, they were launched without knowing what would happen, but we know what will happen. We have a team working exclusively on it, and partners have been reaching out to us in the last few days a lot, offering further support. So this is just a start. We will continue with the ideas and make sure that the best solutions are implemented.
Yeah. So, and it's not going to be like the winning solutions, but it's going to be a group of solutions which are going to be implemented. Yeah. And elaborating on that, so the greater the solution, the greater the impact. And we want you to find for this pandemic, to fight this pandemic, COVID-19, we want you to find impactful solutions. So please collaborate, maybe build joint ventures. I got questions of if solutions are bound to countries or country specific. They are not. Yeah, there are solutions. There can be solutions for your local community, but the team can come from the whole continent, from the whole world. Yeah, so they are not something like national countries, and it's not going to be like a World Cup where countries fight against for the solution. It's a collaboration. So please build joint ventures, even connect projects, because together you are stronger, and focus maybe on different parts of your prototyping. Yeah, this is one thing you can do. Reach out to other mentors. Use the website Chris just described to improve your prototype and really get the knowledge of all the experts and mentors. It's like you have a once in a lifetime chance to get work on projects with 25,000 other experts. So please use it. This means also that you build an ecosystem for yourself. So moderators collaborate not only on your channel, but without it. Connect through other sub-channels to your main channel and build a collaboration within the main channel. And we will pick you up there that you can connect to us. We will send out a spreadsheet later to do so. So reach out to us, but mainly find your own system, because there are many, many ways where you can find your solutions and prototypes to be creative of that. And please, for that, go into the expert channels, offer your help, and support teams. Yeah, this is very, very important to say. And I want to end with a very big shout out to our support team, because we got so much help the last days. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to do it. Especially the team from Watt, from Seedstars, and from Levent were working amazing. It's really incredible to see how your work and our work are aligning for this big common cause. You made history. But this is just the start. Let's go to the prototyping process, and then the next step will be the solutions. And it's just a kickoff of a very, very long way. So thank you very much, everybody, and reach out to us with concrete questions if you
Daniel,
have.
wait, sorry.
Yeah.
And I'd like to answer one other question, or two questions. One is someone saying that they were having some troubles with Guana. There is a channel that is called, I'll check now the exact name to let you know. It's called Guana Help Moderated. Please, if you need help submitting your form, go and say it there. We're monitoring that channel closely, and we also have one of our colleagues from Guana who has been doing an amazing job answering your questions. So if you're having issues with the form, say it in that channel, and we will find a way to come to you for assistance. And then there was another question that someone is asking what exactly is expected in the final pitch deck, a prototype, an idea, what info would you need to help us afterwards? I think, Daniel, please correct me if I'm mistaken, but it would be a bit of both depending on the nature of the project.
Yeah.
Right? Can you take the lead and answer this one?
Yeah, no, it's exactly what you said. So if you come with a tech solution, which is a clear prototype, please build that. But if you come an idea of impact, where you build solutions for your community, for example, for elderly people, how to support them without setting them in danger to be in contact with people, that they are not getting affected of this virus. this can be maybe you are able to prototype it in an app. That would be a solution. But if you have a solution which is more non-tech solutions, you can present it also. Yeah, but then it must be done following the forms of Guana, or following us to the steps on Guana, and do a very good explanational video about it, so we can follow this idea. And you need to map out how the implementation process is going to work.
And for all of those that are coming from different countries, and I'm wondering what will happen after the implementation. For now, once it's implemented, you know, we would have to work a bit more on the solution after this. So we would get the teams working more, or we would provide support, and we would see eventually if the idea is selected as one of the best solutions, we would see what the best way is to implement it in different countries. We might have to, you know, expand the strategy to make it fit different countries and different regions. That is okay. And that will happen during the work. The solution is selected. We have, as I said, we have a lot of technical support programs and in-kind contributions to improve the solution together once it's done, as well as funding. So the ideas that you come up with now, you would be able to work on further after the idea turn with the support that we will be providing. So if you're devising a solution for multiple countries or different regions in the continent, you can still work on it eventually and tailor it further to the specific countries and markets that you will be targeting. So do not worry, because you have teams from all over the continent, and in some cases all over the world. So you will be able to refine this once we also have a clear idea of what your solution is and how we could improve it with the prices that we have.
And Chris and Florencia, maybe you can answer the question: what kind of account do we need to sign on App Guana? Is there a African versus virus section? Yeah.
Yes, there is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know, but that was a question. So
let's see. Well, I think maybe Leszek, can you help us put it on the screen now? I shared with you the website now earlier, so that we can show it. Okay, so that we can show it to participants and they know exactly where to go. If you need information, go to the announcements channel, and there we post all the relevant links. A while ago, I posted this video, and right underneath that, I made a mention to the Guana submissions, and we did it last night as well. So if you go to that channel, you will be able to find all relevant links and explanations of regarding what to do next.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it's also we are started yesterday doing small explanation videos, which we are going to send out to you today, as well as with slides, as you can see, as you saw before, with very easy explanational videos. And yeah, so Leszek, are you going to share, or should I? Okay. Yeah, but okay, so the links are going to be at the play section, but the Guana website looks the following. You have an explanation or introduction. Then you have your main 9 categories, and you post your category in to your you post your project under your category, under your main category. Yeah, so in the end there will be a huge list of a huge number of under each 9 of these categories of submitted projects. So it's a very easy, very straightforward process. We will make videos, and we will be there all day for you to answer questions, and obviously send out an email with all questions which are not clear later on the day. Yeah. So Other funny, Chris, do you have anything to add? Which comes into your mind?
On my end, everything is, I think,
Everything is
fine.
fine.
There was also one question that I saw about providing information. I just cannot locate it with my eyes right now, but provide some information with the tools on how to do video, or maybe some ideas of just providing basically tools. So we can actually do that also, I think, to the participants and send it out on the announcement channel if we have something.
Hey, Daniel, I received another question. It's on the chat. So they're asking, where do they submit the pitch if on Guana? This is the message they see on Guana now. Your proposal is now being evaluated by a committee. You'll be notified by email when the evaluation is finished.
Yeah, it's possible to add on this process, but Florencia and Chris, you know more about Guana than me, so.
Yes, well, we'll have to discuss it with Guana now, exactly what it says at the end. We have not set up that. So it might be an automatic message from Guana, because this is normally what happens. We will discuss it with them, but please bear in mind that your proposal is not evaluated right now. Right now, you're just registering your teams. And you basically would need an overview of what is happening and what you're working on, so that we can connect you better with the expertise that you might need. Your submissions will be updated on Sunday by 6:30 p.m. and those evaluations will be evaluated by a jury panel. But now don't worry about it. Go on working on your solutions, and we will try to correct this. See with Guana whether they can change it, because it's part of their website. But we'll discuss it. Do not worry, you're not evaluated now. You're merely registering your team. We will evaluate you after the Ideathon.
Okay. So, yeah, and I think the other questions we will summarize and send out to you. Yeah, or is there any urgent one? Because
Yeah, I think that's probably the best. We just send a summary later, so that everyone has also access to the answers.
Perfect. So then, thank you very much, and talk to you later.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.